Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For this particular bag, the materials are, yes, so we are getting started right away. Okay, so I'll pick 4 beads and then we'll cross the fourth bead. This is the usual bead matching method, and so I know you guys know it already, so let's just blast it through. Okay, yes, so next you just pick three, one on the left, one on the right, and then you cross the third bead as I am doing in the video. Okay, so you guys, you know I'm not good at voiceovers, but I had to do this one, so yeah, bear with me. Okay, so the dimension for this particular bag is 5 by 5 beads count. Okay, so I have 4, so I'm going to 10 to make the fifth unit, and then we will start the the second line. Okay, so to start the second line, you just have to pick 3 beads and then fix all of them on your left thread, and then you cross the third bead. Okay, yes, and then you enter the next bead with your right thread. Okay, and then from there you pick 2, you cross the second bead. You already know that the thread you enter the bead with is not the one you fix the bead on. Okay, yes, so you continue with it till you get to the last unit. Okay, and then now you enter the last bead there with your right thread, and then you pick 2 beads, you fix it on the right thread. I'm just holding the right thread with my left hand. Okay, so still the right thread. Okay, and then after, you can flip it anyway. Just make sure you fix the beads on the top thread when you are starting a new line. Okay, the top thread instead, and then you cross the third bead with the left thread, or the down thread I say, and then you continue with it till you have your 5 by 5 bead count, but you can do it also in any size that you want. Yes, so here I have my 5 by 5, so it's now time for us to build it upwards. Okay, so I will just pick 3, still with the normal bead matting method, nothing new. Okay, so we continue with it. And when you get to the end here, you still enter the last bead there, and then you pick 2. Okay, and then after that you fold it like this, and then you enter the next bead at the other side of it, and that is how you build it all round. Okay, so I will show you when you are done with this line how to step up so that you can start with the second line. Okay, so now we have to close this side, and so you enter the next two beads. Okay, instead of entering one, you enter two, and then you will pick one bead, and then that line will be complete. Okay, and then you start the next line by picking three beads, and then you cross the third bead. Here I decided to change this glass white because I didn't really like the match, so I later on used white sugar bead for it, and then it turned out to be nice. Okay, you'll see that in a minute. Okay, so you just continue with the bead matching method. Okay, yeah, so here it is. I changed it, and then once again, to step up, you enter two beads instead of one. Okay, and then after entering those two beads, you just pick one bead, and then you cross it, and then you start the next line. So please subscribe to my channel, like, share, comment, leave any comment you like in the comment section. I will reply, and I'm pleading with you. Okay, I do this wholeheartedly and with passion, so I will also urge you to watch the ads that are being run on the videos. That is what I also earn small from it. Okay, so don't skip any ad. Okay. So I am done with it. So the length was just 5. Okay, like the base. So you enter two beads, and then you pick one, and then you cross it. Okay, so here I'm just going to fix the handle on this bead, the last bead that I am crossing. Okay, so instead of crossing, you can just create a knot inside the bead to secure it. Okay, so I am just going to fix the handle diagonally like I am showing. Okay, so you will first have to split the threads, put one bead each on each side of a thread, and then after that you put the thread together, and then you string the beads on it. Okay, on both sides together. So while doing it, you'll have to make sure you adjust it or you measure it to see you have whether you have your desired length. So I string 18 in all. So when you get to the end, you split it again, you fix one bead each on each side of the thread, and then you create a knot. So here I am not going to fix the handle on this bead, but on the other side of the bead, this one rather. Okay, so I will just enter that bead with one side of the thread, create a loop, and then enter that loop with the other side of the thread to create a knot in that bead. Okay, and voila, we are done. Okay, so this is very cute. I mean, for your baby girl, okay, or even for yourself if you're going for a photo shoot and you want something small. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.